Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Portland Pride and my daughter and I are walking for the company I work for, which is Lyft. So we are out here. I just parked my car downtown Portland by the waterfront and we are taking a Lyft to the destination where we, meet up and stuff. And so after that, they have kind of like a party down at the waterfront, which I'm going to show you guys, and hopefully find some good food because I'm hungry. I didn't eat this morning, so yeah. See you guys in a few. I have to do this. Huh? I have to do this. Hi.
Alright, so we need to back here by 10:50.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we're at the Lyft area. There's the car. So sweet. The balloon. We got t-shirts and we got flags and fans. So we are gonna go wander around and see what everybody else is doing. So let's go. Getting a mad tan, like an OD in vitamin D. Yeah, you might not recognize me afterwards. It might be so chocolate, but whatever. Little sight.
Are you guys here for Lyft? How's it going? Oh, it's warm.
Yeah, we're getting our tans going. Found some shade. We're hot. So we had, I didn't even get a picture of the food, did I?
I don't think you did.
Oh. I'm gonna have my camera woman go take a picture of the food. We had some pastries and orange juice for breakfast. Give us a little sugar. Then we're gonna find some place to eat later. We have, it's about an hour before we walk, but it's really warm and it's supposed to get warmer today, so yeah. Anyway, let's show you the food. that we can find to eat. Is it good?
Oh,
Yeah.
this is here.
Whoa. I need like 100 more napkins. Please. So this strawberry smoothie, $11 at the Saturday market. So it just happened to be going on the same time. Or Sunday market, Saturday, Sunday market. So awesome. Sort of healthy. Very yummy. So next time, cook, eat, and enjoy. As you saw, we had an awesome time. I was able to finally get to have some Mexican corn, which I thought was going to taste weird because it had mayo on it, and I've always seen people eat it, but it was actually awesome. By the time the parade ended and we finished walking, we had walked over 4 miles that day. I was super tired, so we didn't even get to go to the Pride Festival, but nevertheless, we had an awesome time. We saw a lot of different people, and I just really enjoyed myself. People being free and showing pride in who they are and loving life. So, like I said before, until next time, cook, eat, and enjoy.
CELEA.